What's up, guys? St. Edwards here. Welcome back to Swift Coding for Everyone. We're going to end lesson 3.2 by talking about any and any object. So any object in any can be used with, just different types. If you wanted to have a mixture of types and you didn't want to separate them for some reason, you can use those types. Any object can be used with any class in Swift except for structures. They cannot be used for structs. But the keyword or the type any can be used with a mixture of strings, integers or ints, doubles, floats, and even bools, and almost anything you can think of. And so open up a new project or a new playground, and we are going to demonstrate the use of the any keyword by creating a simple random array, and we're going to try to print something. All right, and so I'm just going to create an array called random array, which is going to be of type any, and then I'm just going to throw some random things in there. So I'll say 14, say Texans, I'll say true, throw a bool in there, and I'll even throw a double in there. So I'll say 2.34 or something. All right, so we got a bunch of different types in there. Now this is what we're going to do now. So we're going to try to pull out our first item in our array, and we want to try to cast it as an integer. If it is an integer, we're going to have it assigned to a constant, and we're going to just do a simple print statement. So we're going to do this. So we'll say if let first item equals random array 0 as int. We want to do this. We'll say print first item, and we'll say +5. So first item, remember arrays are 0 based, so that's why we had to use 0. If we use 1, it will give us Texans, and it definitely wouldn't work because Texans in all actuality is a string. So as you can see, it worked. 14 could be cast as an integer, and it gave us back 19. It assigned it to first item, and then it added 5 to it, and it printed out 19 for us like we asked it to. So that is actually the end of this lesson, guys. Since it was so quick, I would like to go over the lab with you guys. So let's answer the lab questions. So let's do this. So we'll pull it up. And what we have here, first question. If a variable can be set to any given structure, what's the variable's type? Let's go with any. Yeah, we got it right. All right, when you conditionally downcast from one type to another and store the value in a constant, which combination of keywords is used? Check all that apply. We'll go with this, and then we'll go with that. If let in the as keyword with the question mark. Boom, got it. All right, last question. When is it appropriate to use the as with the exclamation mark operator? You need to unwrap an optional. You need to convert a value to an any type. You need to downcast from one type to another on the condition that the type is valid. Or when you need to downcast from one type to another and you can guarantee the type is valid. Now, me personally, I like that guarantee word because remember that exclamation mark is can be very, very volatile. So we gotta be careful with it. So I'm gonna just go with D. Let's see. Bam, we got it right. Cool. All right, that's that, guys. Thank you guys for joining me. Stay tuned for more videos, and please subscribe below if you have not already. This is St. Edwards with Swift Coding for Everyone. You guys take care.